Are your Beats headphones leaving you looking like this? My 5-year-old Beats Studio 3s leave pleather specks on my face that are more than annoying to remove. They get everywhere and stay with you even after you think you're free of them. Like this one I found on my pillow. Or this one I found after I showered. If yours are doing the same thing, don't throw out your headphones. For $20, you can replace the ear cushions and make your Beats usable again. With my affiliate link below, check out the replacement cushions from Wicked Cushions on Amazon. They have many different color options, but I chose to stick with the plain black ones. Here are my Beats that have clearly seen better days. You can see the ear cushions are disintegrating and flaking after years of use. I was gently handling them, and look how many flakes are now on the table. Here's the package I received from Wicked Cushions. On the back, they claim that replacing the ear cushions upgrades headphones in every possible way. I'm not too sure about that one. In the package, we have the replacement cushions, a list of instructions, some alcohol wipes, and a 15% discount card. Now, you'll need a butter knife or something similar to remove the old ear cushions. I had a hell of a time getting them off, as you can see. There's a plastic ring attached to the cushions that need to come off with them when you remove the old ones. Unless it's already loose, it's quite difficult to get the knife in between the ring attached to the cushion and the plastic of the headphone. I thought it would be easier to rip the cushion off than try to pry the plastic ring from the headphone. That was not the way to do it. It's now much harder to get the plastic ring off. The butter knife wasn't getting the job done, so I had the bright and very safe idea to use a box knife. After many failed attempts, that didn't work either. I decided to try the other ear cushion to see if I just messed up or if they really are that difficult to remove. I was able to get the knife in between the plastic ring attached to the ear cushion and the headphone this time by pulling on the cushion to create some separation. Once you get enough of the knife in, twist and you'll see the ring start to separate. Work your way around the ear cup with the knife and the cushion will come off. Once it's off, peel off all the excess adhesive. Now I went back to the other side to try and finish the job. After getting frustrated, I tried to cut the inside mesh to see if I can get it loosened from inside the plastic ring. After a while of trying, I finally got some separation.
Yes! Yes!
At long last, I finally removed the plastic ring from the ear cup. This is what the naked headphone is supposed to look like. At some point, I cut myself on the knuckle, so be more careful than I was. Next, you need to use the alcohol wipe to remove all of the remaining adhesive so that the new ear cushions will stick properly. I couldn't take the flaky pleather mess anymore, so I vacuumed it up. Before sticking on the new ear cushions, you should practice lining them up with the headphones. One cushion is designed for the left headphone, and the other is designed for the right headphone. Once you're comfortable with aligning the cushions to their proper headphone, peel off the film and stick the cushion on there. Once it's properly aligned, press firmly on the pad for 30 seconds. Then work your way around the cushion, pressing firmly with your thumbs. Side one is finished. Do this all again on the other headphone. Once both ear cushions are stuck on the headphones, you need to keep constant pressure on them for at least 12 hours. To do this, I used a Nintendo Switch box, but you don't want to overstress the headband or else your Beats will snap, and that costs a lot more than $20 to fix. Once they've been under pressure for 12 hours, they're ready to be worn again. Other than the established in '08 on the original ear cushions, you can't tell these aren't the original ones. Again, the link to the cushions are in the description below. If you use that, it gives me a little bit of money and you're helping support the channel. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.